What is up, YouTube? It is DWG, and I am back again with another banger. Alright, so this bee won't leave me alone. I just got home, guys. This is what we are doing. Okay, you ready? Okay, you're ready. Thank you. I am about to go change clothes. Anyways, I'm gonna change clothes. I'm looking a little bit spiffy. Ooh. Ooh. And we're gonna clean. We're gonna clean Bodis's tank. And y'all are going to come clean with me. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Just like that, I've changed clothes. Okay, so let's get into the video. I'm about to clean out his tank. We are going to give him a bath. Look how mad he is. He is so angry with me. We're gonna give him a bath though. You can see somebody's not happy about this. So we have Mr. Man over here, very unhappy because he's in his stroller. So this is what his new tank looks like. Super cool. And then he's got fruits, worms, calcium powder, you know, so he don't have bone deficiency issues. I love it because whenever you look from the outside, it literally looks like he's in the wilderness, you know. Let's see if he likes it. So this is what it looks like now. This is his night light. It's not really hot, you know, but this will help him bask in get the type of vitamins that he needs, because the lights do provide like different sources of like vitamins and stuff like that. I think it looks pretty dope. I'm thinking about getting some LED lights and putting in there too. So anyways, guys, with that being said, I am going to show you guys how we vacuum outside. If you've never vacuumed outside, you gotta try it out, because it works good. So anyways, guys, you grab your paper towels, you grab your bottle of bleach. It don't gotta be name brand, it could be knockoff bleach, it can be whatever bleach y'all wanna buy, it don't matter. I hope my neighbors don't come out here, because they'll think I'm really crazy doing this. So what you're gonna do with your paper towels, you're gonna fold it, you know, fold it a little bit in half like that. Dump the bleach, not like that though, it's okay. It's okay, nothing to freak out about. You see, you got a wet paper towel now. Now watch this. Watch this magic trick. Just watch how magic this trick is about to be. Now you're gonna take your paper towel that I have right here, you know, you see? And you're just gonna clean the trees. You know, you see, get all that nasty gunk off the trees and stuff. You don't want that in your yard, you know? Just clean the gunk off the trees and stuff. Like, that's nasty. You know what I mean? Like, you're just gonna... Somebody put tape on the tree. You're just gonna clean the gunk off the trees. And if you have to, get your second paper towel. Or you can just fold this up and continue cleaning, you know? Clean it like this. Just like that. You see the tree is white? It's nice and clean, you know? Anyways, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna vacuum. You know, get all this dirt picked up. Those weren't even my shoes. And it's clean just like that. And that's how you clean outside.